just got ready for today.
Oh, don't show me.
Why? Hi vlog. He is speech ready. He looks so cute.
And you just got all that milk on your shirt.
It's so pretty out here. This is the view. It feels really, really nice. It's kind of chilly though. Yeah, let's go back inside, Junie.
You hungry?
He's hungry. Like, I gave him the hot dog, but
Let's see the photos.
he can't wait like this though.
The flood is real.
Babies do not wait.
You just saw a little something that you wasn't supposed to see. I got my eyebrows done too. Look at this. Boom. Look at that. You see that line? You didn't see? That means I'm in a gang. Skunk Squad. That's my gang.
So we are on our way to go get some food now. Here's everybody. Everybody say hi. Hi. This is day 2. Panama Beach. Move, Josh.
Hi. I was vlogging yesterday. I was vlogging day 1.
Hi everybody. So I'm vlogging today. So I guess it's my turn. So we're in the car. We're about to go meet Elizabeth and Duck and Josh and Channing.
I have no idea where we're going.
Yeah, we're about to go get something to eat. So let's see what we get.
Milo's original Milo.
Smoke.
Leave them back there.
Okay, let's go.
Why do you keep getting so close to our faces? Butthole.
You a butthole. Ooh. You see this? Isn't that amazing? Look. They made a big statue of you.
That don't even look like me.
Look. Look at the hair. Look at this. Look. Yeah, I got
I had one of those. Did you see my hair when I had it like that?
Yeah.
Why are you so close to my face? They don't want to see that close to my face. Thank you.
Where are we eating at, Mighty Mom?
Where are we? At Moe's Barbecue.
You want to hear a funny thing? I'm not recording.
You know what? Get out my face, man.
Okay.
I just did all of that for the video.
Hey, I'm not putting nothing up that you vlog. I don't
Come
care.
say it to my face.
What's going on, y'all? Welcome. We just got to Panama today.
This is welcome to my mom.
All right, we got here yesterday. Let me stop lying. But everything that he did yesterday, we're not putting it in the vlog because he sucks.
Look what this man did. Alright, so you see this right here? Is it right? Show me. Show them. Y'all see that? Y'all see this mark, right? Look what this man did. So
now I'm a bad person, so it wasn't a mistake?
No, I wasn't, man. You did it on purpose. Okay, so I roll this window down, right? And I stick my head back to see Mighty Mom. This man wanna close the window up and try to choke me. My head, he was choking my neck. He was about to chop off my neck. Boo! We're in Target. Target. What? Target. Yes. You're like a vacuum. You suck. Boo! I sure got them. Is that Mighty Nisi? Oh my god, I'm a big fan. I'm a big fan. Can I get a picture with you? I'm a big fan. Can I get a picture with you?
I'm finna punch you.
Hey Mighty Duck, can I ask you a question?
No, bro.
Why?
No, because you're annoying.
What?
You're annoying.
Mightyduck is rude to his fan. Expose. Expose.
You're the only fan I don't care about.
Can I get a picture with you? Expose. She's rude to her fans.
I want to be like a fanatic or whatever. I love you. You know what? He's really
I love you too.
I know it.
Yeah, I just seen the one where he was in the window. And you said, yes, and y'all must pee on you too. Oh.
He's so silly, Josh. We have a Joshua, you are. Oh, he's so embarrassing. Are you gonna take the picture?
I know.
Okay, got it.
Videoing him.
I'm sorry. I see him, not seeing you. I'm like,
It's my money and I need it now. Hey, can I get a picture with you? Can I get a picture with you?
Nuh-uh, this one's for everything.
She's rude. She's rude. Exposed.
Here, let me take it on this.
Okay, you got it? Okay.
No, I didn't.
It was almost worth the whole time, man. I got you.
Wow.
Oh, you got it. All right.
So, Des, what are we doing?
Scratching my head.
Okay, next. Arnisha, what are we doing? Okay, next. Armani, what are we doing?
All right, now we're just at the.
Okay, next.
We're about to go swimming. And they go Channing with his Batman outfit. So we're gonna go swimming and go to the beach. Look at this action. Wow. Uh-oh, he sees the water bottle. Oh.
He got that.
He had to fight back. Oh, he threw a bomb bait. Get him, Channing. Get him, Channing. Okay. Make it. All right, babe, let's go.
We finally made it to the water park downstairs. Looks like a lot of fun. Alright guys, so the water park was a little bit too cold for Channing. Channing wasn't going for it. So now we are going to the beach. So let's hope that Channing has fun here. Everybody excited? Say woohoo!
You know why I had like 3,000 people.
Channing, are you ready?
Are you ready?
Say yes. We're going to the beach. We're going to the beach.
It's mine. Really?
What?
Sand on your feet?
Yes, that's why I hate the
Oh,
beach.
wet sand? Look. You gonna see.
Okay, he really don't like wet sand, I guess. It is pretty nasty though. I hate it too.
Hey, look. Just smile. Just smile.
How cute.
Huh?
Look how close the birds are, honey, please. Channing! Channing, I want to play with you. Well, he said he don't want to play with you. Channing, take a picture. Say cheese. Show your teeth.
So we're vlogging. They're in the lazy pool, and it's freezing out here. I'm not going. Y'all see them? Look at Channing. Aww. I hear Mighty Niecy. There's Skunk, official Skunky. Official Niecy, Elizabeth, Channing, Mighty Duck, or Money. I'm bugging!
I said, are you eating?
Yeah!
Does it say REC in red at the bottom?
Am I not vlogging? What? It's counting down. I mean, it's counting. What? Didn't nobody tell you to get in that cold water? Now they want to get out. Ooh. Official Armani is freezing. Come on and get out. It's cold, ain't it? Oh, his little eyes are running. Jenny! Hey, baby.
I know it's so cold.
I'm not staying here for them.
Because when you get out, woo-hoo.
Alright everybody, now we're headed out to go to dinner. Everybody done got up and got cute and things. Alright guys, we're going to get on the elevator now. So excited to go get some food. We haven't ate since earlier today. Huh?
Armani, record this. Armani, record this.
Stop playing so much.
Extreme painting.
Something's really wrong with him, y'all. Everybody say, oh yeah, if you love waiting on this elevator.
Oh yeah. Oh no. Alright, y'all.
Everybody say, oh yeah, if you think our niece need to do something with her head.
Oh yeah.
Josh is childish. Dun 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 dun. Shut up. Oh, look, Armani, move. Oh, look at the couple. Oh.
I'm gonna look like a senior too, so I'm gonna wear that too.
Oh, baby, it's okay. Oh, baby, it's okay. Don't cry about it. Y'all, Josh is flooding, bro.
I almost turned into Spider-Man. I ruined my dream.
Get it? Was it a big one? Oh, no, it Josh.
Oh, I feel a bomb. Feel it. Look, is there like... Look at it.
Stop playing, Josh.
No, I'm fine. Oh, God.
I think that's the same one that Armani had called when we first came here.
No, I killed that one.
It hanged out.
Hanged out.
Chicken, fried chicken.
Oh, that's so true. Bro, he's good. Bro. What you say?
Can I just drink the rest of it and not get much left? This spring
You see that face? That's no. That means no.
Do you see my face?
Yeah, you found your match.
Give him another one. Give him another one.
Okay, what's 7 minus 1? Your age? 69.
Says 17.
Oh, I said 17.
Learn English better. Language barrier, obviously.
Oh, Lord. God, still a cute monkey.
It says YouTube isn't the first time I've done weird things in front of my camera.
I love this song.
about to leave. Hey! Why you looking like that, Jenny? Oh.